Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I bring you the Barret the decal, made entirely out of Legos. Unfortunately, I couldn't make a light-size replica of this, simply because I would have ran out of pieces. However, I did manage to get it to become the best sniper rifle it ever built, and it managed to get it moving. Well, now, the scope, I couldn't get a sniper rifle scope built for the same reason. I didn't have all the pieces. However, I did manage to get the ACOG scope built. This gun features a safety and a single shot at the dire option. Safety for this gun actually works as well. It's the first safety that I've done that works. So it easily breaks. This gun also has a bipod that will work quite well. And as you can see here from the small deal with the scope, it's staying up quite well. This is also the first bipod I ever built that was so efficient and worked so excellently. The stock, though I admit it isn't nearly like an actual Barret sniper rifle stock. It's the best I could do. So there you have it. I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching.